Hi, my name is Adil and I am a research assistant with Dr. Farid Zafar, and I am going to walk you through the CLANG reporter. So, uh, I have three terminal windows here, and in the first terminal window I'll start the SPADE console. In the second window I'll start the SPADE controller, and I'll add the CLANG reporter to it. So the CLANG reporter is running at the port 600. And before I go on and run my rewriter program, I want to show you the test file. So this is a test file. It's a very small file with a main function, with a use function, a user defined use function, and a user defined class A. The class A has two fields, A and B, and one method. So I want you to focus on this use function. It has three arguments. First is an integer, the second is of type class A, and the third is a pointer to a class A. So I'm going to go ahead and run my rewriter on this file. So please ignore these outputs, they are mostly for the sake of debugging. So let me show you the test_out.cpp file that was created by my reporter. So this is the test_out.cpp file. Notice this portion. Since the class A did not have a stream operator, this portion was automatically added. This is a stream operator that outputs all the fields of this class in a specific format. Now uh, notice these few lines. These few lines are storing the provenance metadata on entry and return into a stream, the sock_out. It's a stream defined in llvm.bridge.h, and the clang reporter underscore send data flushes the this stream sock_out stream to the clang reporter. So notice this line. This line is storing provenance metadata about the second argument, so about AAA. So I the type of this argument is class A. Now notice the third line. Since this was a pointer, my program can detect that it's a pointer and resolve it to star BBB, and also it's typed to class A star. So this tells us that it is a pointer. And if this class did not have a stream reporter with it, I would have my program would have outputted BBB instead of star BBB. So let me just go ahead and compile this test_out.cpp file, and here is the make file. It's a very simple make file. It just has creates an llvm bridge object file, a test_out object file, and then uses both these object files to create an executable test_out. So mm, now now I'll run my test_out executable, and a lot of data has been sent to the clang reporter. So this was the first line that was sent regarding the entry of the function main. This is the second line regarding the entry of the function use, and these two lines are the return of use, function use, and function main. So let me just go ahead to my controller and add some storage in it. So I'll add graphics storage. So now I'll run my program again, and then I'll remove the storage. So I'll exit the controller. I'll convert this graph into a SVG file that can be opened by Firefox. So I'll use Firefox to display this graph. So this is the graph that was created. This is a process, the function main, and this is the first argument that was passed when calling the function use. This is of type int, argument name is A, and argument value is 41. This is the second argument. This is of type class A, argument name is AAA, and argument value is. So notice how the class is printed. This is the class name A, this is its first field A, and this is its value 2. This is the second name, the second field, the class name, second field, and its value. And so this was the third argument. This is of type class A star, so it's a pointer to A. The argument name is BBV, and the argument value is outputted in a similar manner. So this is the artifact that implies the return of use. So the return expression was A, so the return type was integer and return value is 42. So if say the return command was return C plus D, then the return expression here would be C plus D, and this is the artifact for the return of main. So the return expression is 0, the return type is integer, and return value is 0. So this is the CLANG reporter, and please tell me if you have any comments or if you notice any problems in the reporter. This is the format that was used to send data to the reporter. Say this is, consider that this is one line that was sent. I'll show you one of the lines. So this was the first line that was sent. So TID colon apostrophes, and inside the apostrophes is a value. So TID refers to thread ID colon and then a value. EV refers to event, then colon, and then in the apostrophes a value E. FN refers to function name, and in colon, and in the apostrophes a value. So similarly the arguments are passed using AN colon. AN is for argument name colon, and then in the apostrophes a value, and AT argument type, in the colons a value, and AV is for argument value. So this is the CLANG reporter, and now I'm going to the next part would be to convert it into a CLANG tool so that it can resolve all types. Right now it will have some problems resolving some of the standard C++ types that are included when in the standard C++ libraries. So once this is converted into a tool, which won't take much time, it would be able to resolve all types. Thank you very much.